Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how you can calculate the range in Excel. So here we just have some random data and we want to know the range for this column or for our final exam scores. And we want to display the range here. Now the range is just the difference between the maximum number and the minimum number in a data range or data set. So in this case, here's our data, and in Excel you could use a formula to do this pretty quickly. Basically, you're going to want to select the cell where you want to enter the range, type equals, and then type max. And you can select the max formula and select this entire range by selecting this first cell, and then if you hit Control Shift down arrow, it'll select all of the values in that column. Now if I hit enter, it'll give me the highest final exam score. Now if I type equals min as a formula, select that cell, Control Shift down arrow, and hit enter, it'll then give me the minimum. So then I can take the 89, which is the highest exam score, minus the lowest exam score of 59, and hit enter. And that will give me the range of 30. Now if we were to do it that way, we need 3 cells to do that, and that doesn't look as great. So what we can do is we can combine those two formulas together. We can do the max, select that range, end parenthesis, minus the min, and then again select that same range, end parenthesis, and hit enter, and we'll notice that our range is 30. So we are just including that in one formula. But there you have it. That's how you can calculate the range in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button on your way out. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.